and love's unbounded power. A gypsy Sibyl passed that way and saw the nymphs reclined. Her face was tanned like sunburned hay, her baby hung behind. Why lie you here, my pretty maids, in rustic plain attire, or hide amidst these lonely shades the charms that all admire? Then Lucy lifts her hazel eyes and waves her ringlets brown. Is this the fortune teller wise who lately came to town? Cries Dolly, why her bright blue eyes with smiles grow brighter still? I'll show my hand if you advise to try her conjuring skill. What lucky lights traverse this pamper, gypsy Sibyl said. The wind is still, the sea is calm, the ship at anchor laid. The jolly tar aboard that ship a captain yet shall prove, and court you ere he makes a trip to be his wedded love. How well the gypsy knows my fate, the lot, the powers decree. No land on earth can be my mate while William sails the sea. Be sure a captain won't be fine, but while my sailor's true, he's still more dear and still more mine in comely jacket blue. Says Lucy, give me love and go, no jack is blue for me. Concern but sage my fate and for what lucky stars foresee. Oh, happy stars and happy hour, for hear the rattling drum, and see all dressed and powdered o'er a gallant major come. Oh, how I should shine were I his lady gay. Could I get back this heart of mine to Harry given away? But if your Harry dies of grief, I may repent too late. Yet how can Lucy give relief? There's no resisting fate. Sheltering oak behind with sly complacent smile, young William heard them tell their mind himself unseen a while. On Doll he cast a tender look, then softly stealing down, he met the Sibyl in a nook and paid